So we've purchased our domain. We have that ready to go for our business. We have purchased, signed up, and verified our Google Workspace account. So now we're ready to get started with email marketing using an email service provider. In this example, I'm going to be walking through how to verify our domain with our email service provider, Flodesk. Flodesk is our preferred and recommended email service provider at Boss Project. If you do not have an email service provider, I recommend you go create a free Flodesk account at bossproject.com/Flodesk. So you've created your Flodesk account and logged in. The next step before we do anything is to verify our domain records and authenticate our domain with Flodesk. You're going to start that by going up here in the upper right hand corner where there's like a little icon and this little caret arrow down. We're going to open that and we're going to start. I'm just going to go to overview. You will see that there is account details. You're going to input your account email. This is the one that you should have created your account with. I'm going to go on ahead and update the name. Here we have a Flodesk handle. Go on ahead and customize this to match your domain. You're going to go here to time zone. I'm in Central Time Zone. Then we're going to go to email setup and domain setup. These are probably the two most important steps that are often overlooked, and then people have sending problems in the future. You'll see here that there's this big yellow box. It says increase your chances with a custom domain sender address. We already have a custom domain email. We want to connect that. So we want to tell our DNS and tell Flodesk, hey, we're legitimate. You should deliver the email sent through this ESP. So I'm going to go to the domain setup. There's 3 different records that you need to add: a DKIM, an SPF, and a DMARC. So you're going to want to authenticate your domain to your email service provider. I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to automatically authenticate. This seems to be the most streamlined way for Flodesk to connect with your domain service provider. It uses a third-party integration entry, and I'm going to hit continue. It says, hey, you're in GoDaddy. So it now is going to ask me to log in to GoDaddy. Okay, I've put in my credentials, and now I'm going to continue. You'll see here in the inside of Flodesk, adding the verification record automatically. To the DNS, there are a DKIM, you have your CNAME, your SPF CNAME, and your DMARC, which is a TXT record. It is pending. It could take up to 48 hours to verify my domain. So that is why you should do your DNS domain verification and authentication right from the gate and not wait until you're sending emails to make sure that your delivery is as safe, reputable, and actually gets delivered to your list's inbox. And you'll see this pending right here. Once it's successful, it will turn green. Just to verify, I logged into GoDaddy and I can see that there's a CNAME record for FDE, which is a domain key for Flodesk, a CNAME record for domain verification, and I see right here that there's a TXT record, which is our DMARC record added to the domain. After about 2 or 3 minutes and like refreshing, see that the domain is authenticated. I think using the automated authentication tools speeds up authentication. I think they say 48 hours is sort of the longest window to expect, but anything sooner than that is a bonus.